Here at IEN, we've covered the military in the form of stories on weapons systems, armored vehicles, protective equipment, uniforms, and a number of other innovations. We've also done stories on lasers, as weapons, medical devices, and manufacturing tools. However, it's nice to see that we can still find a way to put a new spin on these two well-covered topics. The Marine Corps recently unveiled their desire to build a laser-based system for crowd control. Now, before you think they're simply wanting to put a big laser pointer on the back of a Humvee, check out their specs. With the stated goals of blinding, disorienting, and possibly burning those who are not so peacefully assembled, the sustainable and controllable plasma will be integrated into a small tactical vehicle to deliver a full spectrum of scalable, non-lethal effects. Okay, so it's kind of a weapon system. These non-lethal effects include lasers capable of providing painful thermal discomfort to human skin and a sonic component that delivers an acoustical sound as loud as a passing F1 race car at full throttle. The Marines have reportedly been expanding their arsenal of non-lethal weapons as a potential way of minimizing fatalities and damage to surrounding buildings when dealing with hostile crowds, both in urban combat zones and goodwill missions. I'm Jeff Ranke, and this is IEN Now.